Alright, after I manhandled the bed from the back corner of the yard all the way up to the top of the yard, because my backyard is a complete freaking mud pit right now due to the winter time. It's kind of a normal thing that happens. I laid it on the truck. Now that it's on the truck, I've noticed that it's not in as good a shape as I'd like it, but it's better than the one we got, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt it on for now. And this side's actually really good, because when I looked at the truck this was on, it was in like this really tight barn and it was dark, so I couldn't really see much. There is like a ding down here by the tail light, which I knew, but I could fix that. But it's the other side that gets me. Right here, this is supposed to be straight, not curved in that way. I mean, it's not lined up with the truck, but it's dented in pretty bad right about there. A little hard to tell because it's white. I didn't actually notice it until I had the bed standing straight up in the air. That's when I noticed, and this was just, wow, I've had this thing for months now. So, but like I said, it has one little bit of rust starting to poke through right in that area. I haven't gotten this trim off. I got the other one off. There's one screw stuck. All 8 bolts are in the bed. I got a tail lights, tailgate. I got these stupid freaking bed caps off. These are actually for a long bed. I don't know what they were on, but I think it's for a later model Chevrolet. But as you can see, I pulled half the paint off with it. I got the other, I grinded the screw off. The last piece of trim on the passenger side to get this stupid tin trim off. And surprise, surprise. Let's see, where is it? Let's get in on there tight. Look what I found. So, looks like what I'm probably gonna do is use this on here as temporary. So, I might just go ahead and use this bed for now, because it's all bent up and everything. My original one is not. It was just rusty here, and I already have patch panels that I cut off of a long bed years back. So I'll probably just patch that one up. That way it's the original bed on the original truck and all that jazz. I mean, I don't really care. It's just for this truck. For me, this truck is, I've had it so long, so I kind of want to keep it all together. But I actually think this was a state truck bed at one point. Reason being is, let's see if we can get this color in here. See? It's like orangish yellow. So alright, back usable as a truck. How befitting that the tailgate that I have that came off the donor truck for a bunch of other parts was a county truck at one point, goes on a bed that was possibly another that, or I don't see any of that yellow on the inside of the bed. Chances are some idiot willingly painted his vehicle, his truck, yellow. Ugh. So that's it for this installment. That's it for this installment of the Chevrolet. I'll be back on this thing before too long. I got new seats to go in it. I got a new bumper. It's actually a work truck bumper, so that way it doesn't have the chrome on it, and it doesn't have all the molding. So it has the pads, but I'm going to get rid of those. Got some cool stuff I'm going to try out with that. And if not, oh well. Back to having a truck. I'm not going to put the bed cover on and the bed liner in it yet for right now. Just because I mean, the bed liner really makes no never mind, but I want to tint the back window. And yeah, I want to tint the back window, and it's easier to do that without the cover on it. Because you got to mount the tint, fit the tint to the outside before you can put it on the inside. So, stay tuned. I got a lot more cool stuff for this truck coming.